Greetings to all. First and foremost, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to God Almighty for giving us this opportunity. We would like to express our gratitude to the management of Tokaj Institute of Science and Technology for their all-hearted support and strength. We wish to record our sincere gratitude to the Principal, Professor Dr. Preeti Tekket, Associate Professor Dr. Srila Sridhar, Head of the Department CSE, our Project Guide Assistant Professor Anuraj CK, Project Coordinators Assistant Professor Abhinoman Philip, and Assistant Professor Elsaba Jacob.
Amputee is a person who has lost all or a part of an arm, hand, etc. by amputation. Unfortunately, at this point of time, there are a lot of people suffering from disability, out of which a lot of people have below amputation. Our proposed system is the bionic arm. Bionic arm is the best revolution idea for amputees across the world, which is as close as we get to a natural limb. The main purpose of our project is to make a functioning, comfortable and affordable prosthetic limb for amputees.
Getting into our modules. We have mainly 3 modules: image classification, object orientation detection, and arm design. Our team consists of 4 members and each one of them had specific role in each of these modules. Aishwarya and me was dealing with deep learning. Before doing the coding part of our project, we have done a course in deep learning by ASAP provided by our college, Tokaj Institute of Science and Technology and Kerala government. Actually, it helped us a lot to complete the coding part of our project.
For image classification, we created dataset for 3 different objects using OpenCV. OpenCV comes with many powerful video editing functions. This is a simple CNN architecture. The basic steps involved are import the libraries, generate the data, make a neural network, data prediction. First, we trained our program code to classify the images. Once the training was over, the system starts classifying the objects. Orientation of the object is calculated to get the grip nodes to pick the object. As orientation coordinates varies, picking the object also varies. Code to calculate orientation of the object was trained and particular control signals were passed to the fingers through Arduino. Fusion 360 is an advanced design and modeling software which is simple to use. I was introduced to the basics first. To get a better grasp on the software, initially I designed basic structures like cylinder, sphere, rectangle, etc. Upon completing these structures successfully and understanding various features of the software, with the help of a guide, we designed the stellar arm. Files to print the arm was sent to the Fab Lab, and the design of stellar arm is done in such a way that it can be modified to suit various amputees and their complex tasks or functions.
CSI INAP National Student Project Award was established with the intention to recognize and promote students who demonstrate exceptional talent in developing software application as part of the student project. This was a tedious process which began from January. Over 650 entries from over 12 states across India. The results of the 9th edition of CSI INAP National Student Project Award was declared by Dr. Rajashree MS, Vice Chancellor of Kerala Technological University, at an online event conducted on 4th July. This was live streamed across YouTube. It was our privilege that we could be one among the top finalists across India. We received cash prize of 3,000 rupees and certificates.
By this project, we aim to provide an efficient and cost-effective stellar arm for the needful people. The number of people suffering from amputation are high, and those who can afford a proper functioning prosthetic arm is a very minute fraction among the all. The entire process, ranging from the designing to the manufacturing of this stellar arm prototype, was completed within a constrained low budget of 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. The design of stellar arm is done in such a way that it can be suited to various amputees, their complex tasks or functions. Specifications of stellar arm is that it provides a lifelike appearance, higher comfort, it's lightweight, and it also performs some active movements. And we once again express our sincere gratitude to each and everyone who has helped us to develop this project, and we hope that this stellar arm will be helpful to those who are in need of it. Thank you.